Check out this Firestarter torch by RocketFire. Links in the description. Subscribe and click the bell for more.
It's 1830, and what the world needs is a quicker way to light a fire. Yes, Charles Saria, a French chemist, said, "I'm on it." And then he proceeded to dip wooden sticks into white phosphorus. That's right, everyone should have this highly incendiary and unstable element in their homes. Great for lighting your stove or fireplace, provided it doesn't suddenly ignite and burn the house down. In an effort to mass-produce these new and improved matches, factories popped up everywhere. Women and children hit the floor to mass-produce them. What could possibly go wrong? Well, quite a bit, actually. This is the 1800s, and OSHA wasn't a thing yet. No safety poster showing a worker in a hazmat suit warning you that the fumes you're breathing in all day, every day, are toxic. This constant exposure led to absorption through the skin or respiratory system, causing organ damage and glowing skin. The truly unlucky developed phossy jaw. Prolonged exposure to the toxic chemical basically caused death in the jawbone. It was painful, and removal of the jaw the only cure. To further insult the poor factory workers who developed phossy jaw, they became shunned in the workplace and could not find work anywhere else. For the consumer, it was quite treacherous as well. You better have a great airtight container because these things thrive on oxygen. And if one does explode, phosphorus burns are the worst. Sticky and blistering, the phosphorus is easily absorbed into the bloodstream, and organ damage is inevitable. Bleak picture. But it's no longer the 1800s, and we're lucky that those scientists kept on working to improve ways to light a fire. Not knocking matches, they have their uses, but we've got something better. The RocketFire torch. 2,000 degrees, 25,000 BTUs, and a tri-flame tip. You've got a fire in seconds, so you can grill, warm up, or get to telling ghost stories faster and safer. No glowing skin or toxic fumes to worry about here. RocketFire torch is simply a more efficient, safer, and cleaner way to get that fire going. RocketFire heats things up fast.